I have created this dashboard with the help of Claude AI just in 5 minutes. I have this sales data in the Excel sheet, and I want to create the dashboard using it. There are 2,000 rows in the sales data. I will go to Claude AI. There will not need any paid plan for this. I will just upload the sales data that I have in the Excel sheet. I will write a prompt myself for creating the dashboard. Now Claude AI will read all the data and prepare a dashboard. It will take a few minutes to generate the final result. Please be patient and watch it till the last. The dashboard is ready now. I will download it. I will open the dashboard HTML file. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching it.